What's up, Rodrigo?
Hey, what's up, Chucho? Hey, why are you coming? What's up? You didn't tell me you're coming.
What?
Hey, come on, you don't tell me you're coming. You take my stuff? You always do that.
What's up then?
You always do that. You always
Stand up.
Where's my guitar? You
Do something about it.
Where is it? Huh?
Do something about it.
You don't get out of here.
Hey guys, shut up.
Shut up,
Brace
Rodrigo.
up.
Hey,
You just punched my friend.
what's up then?
You better say sorry.
I'll meet you outside.
Oh, you want to go? Get back over here. I'm gonna kill you. What? Come on, you don't have to do anything. Yeah. Take that. Take that. Oh. Oh my god. Oh, so crazy. Ah!
Good night, sweet prince.